Welcome on board Independence of the Seas. Today we are touring a junior suite, and I think this is the first suite for the channel, so I hope you guys do enjoy this. But let's just hop straight into it. By the way, if you were wondering, the room number is 9326. Everybody, I'm Dawson from DuckDuckCruiser.com, and I got the privilege of touring a junior suite, so let's just get into it. Coming off right of the entrance, you'll obviously see the bulk of your room. Now, honestly, this room is very large, especially considering it's a junior suite. You might not think it's that big, but honestly, it's absolutely huge. So you got your bed right off to the side once you come in, and you also got this really nice desk here. Now, the desk does have a chair with a back and plenty of drawers and cubbies all along. Now, honestly, the desk is pretty nice. You got your phone over there too, and a coffee machine with a pretty nice TV. You do also have that backlit mirror and just a little bit of a side storage system that does have your safe there. You also do have your mini fridge there, and like I said, you have plenty of storage, and there's also a decent amount of plugs. Stepping over more by your bed, you have this cool piece of artwork here. Now, this bed can be split apart, but in this case, it is put together, and you got two nice drawers right beside your bed, and you got this cool reading light thing that adjusts, so if you want to read in bed, that can turn on and provide a great light source for you. But overall, you got this really nice comfortable bed here. You do also have that master switch which controls all of the lights in the room, so they'll turn off once you press that. You also do have this curtain here which provides a little bit more privacy. Even further into your cabin, you got this really nice seat here. You got the plenty of leg room. It's almost like a love seat here. You do also have this desk here so you can set whatever you might need. This is a great spot to come read. You've got a window behind you and curtains that do close with a switch right here. And stepping up out of this very nice comfortable seat is where your bed is. Now, I said bed, but the reason I say that is because it can be pulled out in this specific room, but some rooms it might not be like this. But overall, you got this really comfortable couch here with a piece of artwork, and like I said, you got that curtain, so if somebody's sleeping here, it provides a little bit more privacy. You also have this table here for the couch that can be put away. You can just put that in the closet if you want, but that option is there. You also do have this trash can under there. I don't know why that's really there, but it's there. Alright, so anyway, stepping out on your balcony, as you can see, I might have dozed off a little bit on this really nice lounge chair, which they do provide, and that is one of the benefits of actually having a junior suite, is that you get a bigger balcony. Now, I will say it really isn't much longer, but it is a lot wider, which can provide more room for chairs and better panoramic views. Now, in most cabins, you do only have these half lounge chairs, two of them, and the table here, but in this case, you got two extra full sun loungers, so you can sunbathe, relax, or whatever you might need. This balcony honestly is really nice and provides a lot of extra room for you, and that is one of the benefits of having a junior suite. Now, right off the entrance of your cabin is one of the coolest parts about a junior suite. I wouldn't expect this for a junior suite, but it does have it, and that is a full walk-in closet. Now, this closet is very large. You got plenty of hangers, and you also got plenty of shelves here with honestly way too many life jackets down there, but it's for safety, so I understand it. But you got this really nice closet. There is plenty of room for your suitcases and any shirts that you would need. I think this is literally bigger than the closet I have at home. But anyways, you have this really nice closet, and you got some more space up here as well. Right off of the entrance, just like your closet, right across actually from the closet, is where your bathroom is. Now, the bathroom is honestly pretty nice. You got this like tri-mirror thing with a cool sink and with some what looks like granite. It's kind of a cool decor in here. It has a little bit more of an older theme. You got your nice toilet here with your trash can, and the mirror actually does open up. Now, the only downside to this bathroom, I would say, and even the room at all, is that this isn't a shower door. It is a shower curtain, which is okay, but considering it isn't a tub, it does make the situation a little bit better. You do have this one piece of glass here, but more like plastic. But anyways, you got that one thing, and you also got your shower right here. So you do get those upgraded amenities instead of that weird 3-in-1 stuff that they do have in most rooms. Into the shower, you honestly have a good amount of room here. You can pretty much walk from one side to the other very comfortably. Yet again, you got that adjustable shower knob, and you do have that feature of having a bathtub. Well, that concludes today's tour of a junior suite. If all you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. I got another room tour on the channel and a ship tour and ship review coming out soon. If you guys did enjoy today's video, and make sure to like and subscribe, and always remember to have a ducky day.